am Peppa Pig. This is my little brother Zero. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Emily Elephant. Peppa and her friends are going to play wolf today. The children, if they have to have their skull on. Today we have a new pupil. Emily Elephant. Hello, Emily. Hello, Emily is a bit shy. Who was to show Emily glad to have her coat? Oh, we just need one. Peppa, can you show Emily glad to have her coat? Yes, Mother Jill. We each have all our coats. This one is for you, Emily. Emily is hiding her coat on a very one's coat. Now, Emily, what would you like to do today? Painting, clay, or building blocks? I don't know. Maybe building blocks. And everyone is painting, clay, and or building blocks. Building blocks. My goodness, building blocks are fun today. Everyone wants to sit next to Emily Elephant. Emily, we put one block on the top or on the chair, like this. It's better if you put them to side. No, this way, Emily. This is the right way, Emily. No, Emily, like this. You are what Billy very help. But Emily, how would you play with the blocks? I am very sure. I might do it like this. Wow, Emily Elephant is good at building blocks. It's playtime. Hooray! Emily, would you like to play outside with the other? Yes, please. Can someone show Emily where we play? Yes, Mother Zero is yellow. At playtime, Peppa and her friends play in the school garden. Can't cut me. Was a laugh or noisy? Let's see who's the loudest. Okay, I will go first. That was quite loud. Now it's your zebra. Now see. Now Danny Dog. The was very loud. My turn. Peppa is the lowest. Emily, you try. I am not too sure. Please, Emily. Okay, I will try. My goodness, that was loud. Wow. Do it again. Emily is not shy anymore. Emily, would you like to play my favorite game? What's your favorite game? Jumping in the muddy puddles. That's my favorite game too. Peppa loves jumping up and down in the muddy puddle. Emily loves jumping up and down in the muddy puddle. This looks like fun. Jippy loves jumping up and down in the muddy puddle. Everyone loves jumping up and down in the muddy puddle. Emily, have you enjoyed your first day of our playground? Yes, my brother, and I see you make lots of new friends. Yes. Emily, elephant is my friend. And Emily is my friend. And my. Emily, who do you like best? I like Susie, and then Andy, and Joe, and Rebecca, and Poodle, and Peppa.